Hello friends, this is Ajay and welcome to my channel Techno Adda. About 2 months ago, Samsung was launched its latest flagship phone Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So finally I also got the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and I have 128GB variant. So in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's see what are the physical overview of this phone and what are the specifications of this phone.
So friends, this is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus box, and here S9 Plus is written very beautifully. As we can see here, this is the 128GB variant, and let's see the quick specification backside of this phone. Here we can see the display of this phone is Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED and 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel rear camera with dual focus aperture 1.5 and 2.4, and another is only 2.4 with super slow motion 8 megapixel selfie camera, stereo speakers tuned by AKG, IP68 water and dust resistant, iris scanner, 128GB memory and 6GB RAM, wireless charging and earphones tuned by AKG. As we talk about the pricing of this phone, the maximum retail price of this phone is 74,000 rupee, but it is available in Indian market at the price of 68,900 only. Now let's open this box and let's see what are the contents available inside this box. Here we can see Indian SIM card only. If you are buying this phone in India, then placed first Indian SIM card. Now this has been opened. Wow, this is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This phone looks pretty cool, and the back side is glass finished. This is very beautiful.
Let me keep aside this phone and let's see what other documents and contents available in this box. Let's see. So this is the SIM ejector pin, I think. Yes, this is the SIM ejector pin placed in this box, and these are the warranty card, paperwork, etc. And this is the jelly cover. This is very good, build quality is good. And
This is the travel adapter, which has the output power 2.0 ampere. So this is the fast charger. You can see here written is 2.0 ampere output. You can also see in the back side, here is written adaptive fast charging, and the quality of this charger is very good. And this is the OTG. This is the OTG USB connector. Here we can connect the USB or pen drive through this OTG connector. And let's see, this is the earphone of Samsung. The quality of this earphones are very good, and this is tuned by AKG. These earphones are tuned by AKG technology. This is the volume records of these earphones, and this is the pin. And let's see what are other documents content. This is the USB cable, type C. You can see this is the type C. Here we can see this is the type C USB cable. Now let's reboot this phone. And let these all boxes and contents aside, and let's focus on the phone. So the phone is now on, and let me open this normal pattern by the normal pattern. The screen size of this phone is 6.2 inches and with Super AMOLED display, and the back side is also glass finished, which looks very good. As we can see in the bottom of this phone, here is a earphone jack and a charging slot and a mic and a stereo speaker which is tuned by AKG technology. And in the right side of this phone we can see here the on off switch, or we can say that this is a power button. And on the top of this phone we can see here the SIM place and a secondary mic. And in the left side of this phone, here is the volume rockers, and the second button is for the Bixby. And in the back side we can see there is a dual camera setup, and this is sensor for the heart rate monitoring, and this is a fingerprint sensor we can see. And in the front side we can see here is a selfie camera. This is the selfie camera which is 8 megapixel, and there is a sensor. And if we talk about the display of this phone, this has the full view 80:9, and it is also a round edge display. So I like this phone very much. I just love this phone. This is very cool and very beautiful phone.
After using this Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, I will shortly upload the full review of this phone. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe our channel Techno Adda to get the latest updates from our channel. And please share this video to all your WhatsApp, Hive, Facebook, etc. and to the comment.